The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 stands as a testament to automotive artistry and engineering prowess. This flagship sedan embodies the pinnacle of luxury, seamlessly blending opulence, technology, and performance. For those who demand the very best, the Maybach S Class beckons. This is not just a car, it's an experience. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, every feature thoughtfully integrated. The Mercedes Maybach S Class represents the pinnacle of the Mercedes-Benz brand. Mercedes-Benz, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation, has a long and storied history dating back to the early 20th century. The Maybach name itself carries its own weight, harkening back to Wilhelm Maybach, a pioneering figure in the automotive industry. The Maybach brand, revived by Mercedes-Benz in the early 2000s, represents the absolute pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity within the Mercedes-Benz portfolio. The Maybach S Class embodies this philosophy, taking the already impressive S-Class platform and elevating it to new heights of luxury and sophistication. It's a car built for heads of state, captains of industry, and those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's a symbol of success, a statement of power, and a testament to impeccable taste. More than just a car, it's a rolling embodiment of automotive artistry and engineering excellence. The Mercedes Maybach S Class traces its lineage back to the legendary Maybach Zeppelin models of the 1930s. These opulent machines were renowned for their unparalleled luxury, handcrafted details, and powerful engines. Reborn in the early 2000s as an ultra-luxury sub-brand of Mercedes-Benz, Maybach continued its legacy of crafting automotive masterpieces. The 2025 Maybach S Class represents the latest chapter in this illustrious history. It builds upon the success of its predecessors, incorporating cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and an even more refined design language. This latest iteration takes the Maybach ethos to new heights, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and supremely comfortable. It's a car that seamlessly blends classic luxury with modern innovation. With its bold yet elegant design, the 2025 Maybach S Class makes a statement wherever it goes. It's a car that commands respect and admiration, a true icon in the world of luxury automobiles. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 does not come cheap. Its base price starts at a significant premium over the standard Mercedes-Benz S Class, reflecting its exclusivity and unparalleled level of luxury. However, the price can climb significantly higher depending on the level of customization chosen. From bespoke paint finishes to handcrafted interior trims, the possibilities for personalization are virtually endless. Buyers can choose from a wide array of premium leather upholstery options, exotic wood veneers, and even personalized embroidery. The Maybach S Class is not just a car, it's a blank canvas upon which discerning individuals can express their unique tastes and preferences. The price tag is a reflection of this exclusivity, the craftsmanship involved, and the sheer opulence that the Maybach S Class represents. It's an investment in automotive excellence, a symbol of success, and a statement to the world that you demand the very best. Section 5. Power and Performance Redefined. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 offers a selection of powerful engine options, each delivering effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. The base engine is a potent V8, while those seeking even more power can opt for the handcrafted V12 engine, a masterpiece of German engineering. Both engine options are paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission that seamlessly transfers power to all four wheels. The Maybach S Class glides effortlessly from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury sedans on the road. Despite its size and weight, the Maybach S Class handles with surprising agility thanks to its advanced air suspension system. This system constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a magic carpet-like ride quality that isolates passengers from imperfections in the road. While fuel economy might not be a primary concern for Maybach S Class buyers, it's worth noting that the car delivers respectable fuel efficiency figures for its class. Section 6. An exterior of stately elegance. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 exudes an aura of understated elegance and sophistication. Its design is an evolution of the classic S-Class aesthetic, with subtle yet distinctive Maybach touches that set it apart. The most prominent feature is the iconic Maybach grille, a bold statement of luxury and prestige. The Maybach S Class is also longer than the standard S Class, with a stretched wheelbase that provides even more rear legroom. This extended profile further enhances the car's imposing presence on the road. Two-tone paint options, a hallmark of Maybach design, are available to further accentuate the car's elegant lines. The Maybach S Class also features advanced digital headlights that provide exceptional illumination and adapt to changing road conditions. These headlights are seamlessly integrated into the car's design, adding to its sophisticated aesthetic. From its imposing grille to its sleek profile, the Maybach S Class is a true head-turner, a car that commands attention and respect wherever it goes. Section 7, a sanctuary of opulence and comfort. Step inside the Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025, and you'll be greeted by a world of unparalleled luxury and comfort. The cabin is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to craftsmanship with handcrafted trims, sumptuous leather upholstery, and an obsessive attention to detail. The rear seats are where the Maybach S Class truly shines. With executive rear seats that recline and offer massage functions, passengers can relax and enjoy the ride in absolute comfort. Foldable tables, a champagne cooler, and a rear seat entertainment system complete the first-class experience. The Maybach S Class also features a Burmester 4D sound system that envelops passengers in a concert hall-like audio experience. Active ambient lighting further enhances the ambiance, allowing passengers to customize the interior lighting to their liking. Every surface, from the soft leather to the polished wood veneers, exudes an air of quality and craftsmanship. It's a space designed for relaxation, contemplation, and enjoyment, a true sanctuary from the outside world. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 is a technological tour de force, packed with advanced features that enhance convenience, entertainment, and safety. The centerpiece of the interior is the MBUX Hyperscreen, a sweeping digital display that spans the entire dashboard. This intuitive system controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. The Maybach S Class also features rear-wheel steering, which enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Advanced autonomous driving capabilities are also available, allowing the Maybach S Class to handle certain driving tasks semi-autonomously. A head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, keeping the driver's eyes on the road. Personalized security options including facial recognition and fingerprint scanners add an extra layer of protection for discerning owners. The Maybach S Class seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology into a luxurious and intuitive package, making every journey safer, more enjoyable, and effortlessly connected. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 offers a compelling array of advantages for those seeking the ultimate in automotive luxury. Its exceptional comfort, unmatched rear seat luxury, and powerful engine choices set it apart from the competition. The advanced technology and features, including the MBUX Hyperscreen and autonomous driving capabilities, further enhance the driving experience. Exclusive customization options allow owners to create a truly bespoke vehicle that reflects their individual style and preferences. The Maybach S Class is not just a car, it's a statement of success, a sanctuary of comfort, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. For those who demand the very best, the Maybach S Class is the ultimate expression of automotive excellence. While the Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 offers an unparalleled level of luxury and performance, it's important to acknowledge its potential drawbacks. The most significant is its high cost, which puts it out of reach for most buyers. Its large size can also be a hindrance in crowded urban environments, and its fuel consumption, while respectable for its class, is still significant. Some drivers may find the Maybach S Class to be less sporty and engaging to drive than some of its competitors. These drawbacks, however, are likely to be minor considerations for the target market of the Maybach S Class. For those who can afford it, the advantages of owning this exceptional vehicle far outweigh any potential disadvantages. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 stands as the pinnacle of luxury sedans, a testament to automotive artistry and engineering excellence. Its smooth ride, state-of-the-art technology, and first-class comfort make it the ultimate choice for those seeking prestige and exclusivity. While its high cost and large size may be prohibitive for some, there is no denying the allure and desirability of this exceptional vehicle. The Maybach S Class is more than just a car. It's an experience, a statement, a sanctuary. It's a car that embodies the very essence of automotive luxury.